If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves tactile, earthy, artist-grade fabrics, this is where inspiration and texture meet. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, and today I'm introducing a Curation bundle. Foundation bundles from my previous videos are your base. Curation bundles are the soul, statement fabrics, and sensory richness that define your voice. Today's bundle is called Indigo Relics. Denim cuts are always a nice addition to add to your fabric stash. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our first piece. We have a piece of a lighter blue colored washed denim. This is 100% cotton. There's a close-up of it there for you. And this is what it looks like on the back. That's your first piece. Our second piece is a medium blue colored denim. This is actually a cotton polyester blend, and it's a medium blue color. Still looks like a traditional denim. That's the close-up on the front, and that's the close-up on the back. Our next piece is the traditional indigo blue denim. The indigo denim there, you can kind of see the white weave, cross weave there also. So that's more of a traditional. That's what you generally expect to see when you're looking at denim. The next piece is a black denim, which is a traditional piece also, 100% cotton. And you can see the white cross weave in that also. Okay, so these are your traditional denims here. Okay, the next piece is a brushed black denim. Now this is a little more of a truer black color, less of the white cross weave showing through, and a little smoother on the front. Like I said, it is brushed. This also is 100% cotton. And our last piece is the brushed dark blue or brushed indigo denim. And this also is a deeper or richer color with less of the white cross weave showing. Okay, that's the back, and yes, 100% cotton. So this collection, again, the name is Indigo Relics. Each Curation bundle feels like a next level up enhancement to our other bundle collections. Try blending with a cut or two from our foundation or play bundles for balance and depth. Links to this week's featured bundle and our other bundle collections can be found in the description below. Be sure to join my VIP list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order. Link in description. I'll showcase a new bundle every Tuesday and provide a sneak peek on upcoming bundles on Thursdays. Thanks for joining this Curation bundle reveal. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media art. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.